Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a case for a Google Pixel. I think it's a 9 Pro is what it's for. I'll show you guys what it looks like here. It's for like the folding ones, I believe. Let's see what we got here. So here we go. So it comes with, it looks like a little cleaning set, and then the instructions, and then here is the case for it. So look at that. So here we go. So there's the plastic. And so it can go in here. You can see you put your one side in there and the other side in there, and then it will fold up and you have a clear glass, or I guess it's a plastic front, and then the plastic inside as well, the cover for it. So it'll look nice and pretty, I guess. And it just has the nice rubber strength of the back here. Got places for all your buttons and everything like that on that side. And it will be, so once it's sealed up here, let me show you guys how it will be. It'll fit like this. So it'll be, it's really not going to add much size to it because your phone will fit in there. It's probably no bigger than, very little bigger than the phone, but it doesn't add much, but it does have the protection that you'll need. And then you've got your charging ports and other accessory ports and stuff like that on the bottom. It's still accessible. You have your little on the top accessible as well. So really nice little one there. Space for the camera, just leaves it open. And then so it's got the little, spring-loaded case there. So once it's all on, it'll kind of help spring-load it closed. But that's great. Nice. So if you have that phone and you need the case, this is probably a good one to get because it's going to have the protection for it as well as being just super easy to carry. And it looks really cool. Look at that little pattern on the back. It looks like it's got something going on back there. It looks like screws, but it's not. It's plastic. But very cool. Really nice case, and it's nice and soft on the inside, so it's not going to scratch up your phone either. So I'm going to say this is a nice little setup here they have. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.